Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to draw the cup and handle pattern in TradingView. Alright, let's begin. First, identify the pattern on your chart. The cup is a smooth U-shaped bottom that forms after an uptrend. Both sides of the cup should meet resistance at roughly the same level, creating a symmetrical shape. After the cup forms, the handle appears as a smaller pullback or slight downward drift. This usually lasts 1 to 4 weeks and retraces about 30 to 50% of the cup's depth. Volume also plays an important role. During the cup formation, trading volume tends to decrease, but as the price nears breakout above the handle, you'll want to watch for a spike in volume as confirmation. Now let's draw it. Use TradingView's arc or curve tool to trace the U-shaped cup. Then, mark the resistance level by drawing a horizontal line across the rims of the cup. For the handle, use a downward-sloping trend line from the right rim to connect the highs of the pullback. Optionally, you can also mark the lower boundary of the handle to help with stop-loss placement. So that's basically how you can draw the cup and handle pattern in TradingView. That's it for this video. Thanks.